You search for how to buy shares of Nexgel Inc. Nexgel is a medical technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NXGL. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as the example to show the steps. After registering, you will usually verify your account with an ID and then add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker NXGL to locate the company. Select the Nexgel Inc. listing that appears in the results to open its stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm the listing is Nexgel Inc. Double-check the NASDAQ exchange and the NXGL ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade, choose the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may become pending, and if you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same example.